Guys, the Bitcoin and Ethereum options expiration is going to cause some very green days for crypto, including Dogecoin. We're going to be discussing that in today's video. I'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up, guys? I'm Joel, and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate, as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. And that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy, so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell, so that you guys can sell as well, or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And smash that like button if you love cryptocurrencies. Guys, because of the options expiration, there was a lot of volatility. We saw Dogecoin go from 23 cents on up to 26 cents, and then it crashed down a bit once again thereafter. Guys, this is completely normal. The bears are trying to get the price down. While the bulls were in control, it was causing the bears to have to get more bullish. Guys, Fridays are when futures and options expirations expire. And just after that, we usually see some huge volatility to the upside. Because guys, that's when investors, that's when big whales out there bet whether they think the price is going to go down or up. Now, it's a lot more risky, however, it could be a lot more rewarding as well. And that's why they get into it. They bet on what price target they think it's going to get to. And guys, they can make a lot of money, like I said, if it does in fact hit the target that they predict. And they'll do anything to make it hit that price. They'll spend whatever money it takes to put FUD and fake news out there to get you guys to sell. To get the small retailer investor to have paper hands. You never want to do that. You never want to sell for less than you bought in for. Always have diamond hands and hold until you see the desired profits. So guys, for the whales that are shorting, when you see the price going up a lot, just like we saw when it went to 26 cents, those bears are losing a lot of money. Because guys, every bit that it goes more in the green, that's more money that they're losing. Guys, that could either cause a short squeeze or a long squeeze. Guys, what happens is, with the short squeeze, just as we saw with AMC and GameStop, that's when the price goes up while there's a lot of people shorting it. While they're losing money, they're having to become bullish. They're having to rebuy their position, and they generally buy it long so that they then have a chance to make at least some money as a bull. So inevitably, when the price is more bullish, it's forcing the whales that are shorting to then become bulls. An article just came out titled, Bitcoin Sees Quite Healthy Consolidation on $200 million Bitcoin Options Expiry Day. Everything is bullish except the price on Friday. At 200 million in options expire, and attention focus on corporate quarterly disclosures. Guys, generally with these options expirations, Thursday night, we tend to see a lot of green candlesticks. And then on Friday, more red, and then on Saturday and Sunday, back green again. Guys, last week we crashed because the whales sold 70% of their Bitcoin. Guys, they then bought in at a new position, causing the sentiment to go from fear to greed. And guys, as we know, when the market gets greedy, when people get greedy in the crypto market, prices go up. So you want to get ready. You want to be positioned very well before this happens. Have some cash on the side to buy the dip when I call it out on my Patreon. There's only a short amount of time before you see the desired profits. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, an expert on on-chain data, Sentiment on Twitter, tweeted out and said, Bitcoin now sits at 48K after a volatile couple of weeks to open September. Notably, the amount of unique tokens moving on the Bitcoin network known as token circulation is up big. Wednesday saw 187 unique coins moved. the most since July 29th. Guys, we're seeing new cryptocurrency addresses increase. This means that the new people getting into crypto is starting to increase, inevitably causing more money to pump into the marketplace and causing the prices to pump up very quick. Guys, you want to get in before this mass adoption happens. You want to be positioned very well with some cash on the side to buy the dip when I call it out. Guys, Plan B on Twitter created a chart called Stock to Flow model, and it's very accurate, and it's been accurate as long as Bitcoin has been around. It predicts around the price that Bitcoin's expected to be in the future. And guys, he says at the very lowest, Bitcoin will be at $135,000 just by the end of this year. Guys, this is huge. When this happens, expect to see Dogecoin much higher than it already is, easily double or more. Guys, once the hype comes back into the marketplace and people start to see the prices going up, they're going to get more greedy. They're going to start to have FOMO, and they're going to FOMO in. Guys, that's not when you want to get in. You don't want to get in on the uptrend. However, when the market gets greedy and the prices go up, that's very good for people because you're already ahead of the curve watching these videos, getting in before the masses on the steep dips when I call them out. Guys, Dogecoin generally lags behind by a day or two. And sure enough, as we were seeing red in a lot of the cryptos, we saw Dogecoin pump up to 26 cents. Guys, it surprises us out of nowhere, and this could happen at any time. Guys, on the charts, we see that the supply shortage is increasing very much for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and as it increases, it's going to become much more rare and even very hard to purchase on the exchanges eventually. The prices are going to continue to go up because there is such a supply shortage. When they decided to burn the coins, when they decided to make them deflationary, that made the price continue to increase. Guys, we have a bullish reversal signal on the Ethereum charts, a W pattern where it hit the bottom 3 times, a triple bottom, guys, that's incredibly bullish, and we should expect to see Ethereum continue to head up from there. And guys, as we look at the Dogecoin charts, we actually see a reverse head and shoulders pattern. A head right here, a shoulder, and a shoulder. Guys, this is a very bullish sign that we're about to head up from there. You want to get ready. You want to buy these dips, as I'm calling them out, while they're low, because that's about to change. We're about to see some huge pumps for Dogecoin. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Weeb link at the top pinned comment. And if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's inexpensive and invaluable. That's in the top pinned comment as well. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And I'll see you tomorrow.